Why did you get parked there? Why couldn't we park there?
Well, I guess we could have parked there, but haven't seen this one out in a while. Ooh, love these new Challengers. Dad's ride. There's Boris's car. How's it going?
All right. But them little devils just hang on. I sing all the ones up there.
I believe that I belong by your side, right or wrong.
Yeah, you are funny to film.
I know, right?
Man, that's some good entertainment right here. So she wants to go and look at the sniffy good stuff. What?
I'm not trying to give you a dirty look. It's just the sun's in my eyes. So if you get a dirty look, you get a dirty look.
I got a dirty look. Ooh, ooh. Well, here, let me snort one. Oh my, I like that one. Is it cinnamon? What is that? Christmas cottage, that's gotta have cinnamon in it, right?
Yep.
I like the cinnamon. Now what are these things?
Those are just samples, if you'd like one.
You do what?
They're samples if you'd like one.
Oh, I can have one?
Yes, you can. You said they're samples.
Oh yeah. Here, have a snort. I do.
Yeah?
Do you have that the cottage one in here?
I don't think...
Christmas cottage?
I don't know. That one might not be in there.
Well, you got a lot of good smelling ones
A
though.
bunch of different ones, but I don't know if that one's in there.
Got some pretty good warmers. I like that one.
That one's one of my favorites.
Is this one of them things you put the sniffy stuff inside?
Yes. Yep. Yes.
Where's it go in this one?
And, this one is down in its cubby.
Oh yeah.
Like a little cubby hole there.
Do they work really well? Don't we have one of these?
I have one, and the baby also has one.
The baby has one?
Well, yeah, it's that thing that's in that little can that Mom got us.
I thought that's the only one we had.
I have a fox.
Oh.
How you doing?
Can I smell this one?
I know, honey. I'm sorry. I'm working all the time.
Ooh. So, with this one cube instead of 2 in the candle warmer. This is great. Like that's uh-oh. Jed is going to be mad. He done took off with the cooler.
I'm mad.
Oh.
My drink is on there.
He might spike it. You want me to run him down? I stole your ride. Was it fun?
Yeah.
So you like the Johnny Appleseed then, right?
Mm-hmm. Johnny Appleseed. Let's have
Smell
another
it?
snort. Yeah, that's pretty good. Well, thank you. See ya. There he is. What are you doing? He's like, wait a second, hold on. He got caught now. You turn the camera on, he's like, yeah. So what do you think, little cuz? I don't know. I think I'd get myself in more trouble if I had something with that kind of power. And good looks. It's got the looks. Now if I had something like this, I won't get in trouble. I would probably try to hot rod it somehow. Actually, you know what? Rock and Roll Jed would probably hot rod the shit out of this thing.
Yeah, but I don't think he can get fast enough to even get a speeding ticket.
Oh, he'd make it happen. Have you seen my... You remember my mower? I souped it up, didn't I?
Extract this to like here and just like put it.
What are you doing again?
I'm having ideas.
You're having ideas?
Yes.
What's up, guys?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Can I have my rocks?
Check it out, guys.
That's vlogs.
Can I have my rocks? I thought you had rocks.
Rocks?
Yeah.
What do you need rocks for?
I got a minion and then I got like a little strawberry.
Where'd you find them at?
I painted those.
Oh, you painted those. Where are you going to put them at?
I don't know.
You don't know where you're going to put them?
No, I thought Desiree was going to help me.
Oh. So that's what it's all about right here. Good cars, we got a little bit of music in the background, and good people. Yeah. Yeah. And somebody's comfy.
Take a nap.
Yeah. So I don't have to take the car back to the apartment and take the chairs. I went to the apartment and I got Jed's beer wagon. Yeah. Now that's a ride.